What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we'll be drawing Horton from Dr. Seuss's Horton Hears a Who. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page and draw two ovals for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size oval on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's push the pupils towards the inside. So we're going to start on the left. We're going to draw a smaller oval going all the way around and then up. Line that up on the right side. And then along the top, we're going to draw a small circle for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Let's add those three lashes across the top. Starting on the left, we're going to bend this out and up. Move out and draw two more. Now let's repeat that over on the right. Underneath the eyes, we're going to add a fold. We're going to come down and out. Let's go up to the top and draw in the eyebrows. We're going to curve this up and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to thicken up the brow. We're going to go up higher in the middle and then back down towards the inside. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Let's add those wrinkles above the forehead. We're going to start in the middle. We're going to bend this up above the eyebrow and then down. Go back to the center and do the same thing over on the right. Let's do that one more time, going a little bit shorter, going out towards the side. Now over on the left side, we're going to draw the top of the head. Start by curving this up, bend this down towards the right side. Now I want to blend in towards this trunk. Curve this around the face and then in, and it'll blend this in towards the edge of the trunk. Pull this in and then out. Let's add an oval. We're going to come all the way around and back in. And then in the center, we're going to add a small fold. In the middle, draw a straight line going up. Then we'll add a circle. Let's add a little sparkle effect going around the outside. Now let's go all the way back over towards the left side. We're going to draw the edge of the mouth, coming down towards the edge of the trunk. I'm just going to taper this so the trunk gets narrower as it comes all the way around and then back up towards the top. Let's go back over towards the corner of the mouth. We're going to add a fold, coming down and out. Come down towards the bottom, draw the edge of the mouth. Coming down and then up. Let's move out, draw the lip, coming down and then up. Let's add some folds across the center of the trunk. We're going to start from the top, draw a curve going up and then down. Move down, go a little bit longer. That's going to continue going all the way down towards the bottom and just bending this out. Let's go up to the top of the head. We're just going to add some hair. Bend this up and over, come back down, just add a couple more. Move out to the side of the head. We're going to draw the inside edge of the ears, going out and then up. Now I want to round up the ear along the top and then come down. Let's add a fold, step up, curve this around and then down. Then from the side, bend the ear coming down and then up. Let's curl this around, all the way around, then bend that up and then in. Let's add two more curls across the bottom of the ear. Starting on the left, just going to tuck this up underneath, then add one more. Now over on the right side, I'm just going to tuck this in behind the head. I'm going to come down and up, move down, curve this down in behind the trunk, then up towards the side of the head. Now we're going to go back up the top and add a thick ridge across the top of the ear. So we're going to step down, we're just going to follow that curve going up towards the top. Round this out and just taper that out towards the side. Now with the face complete, let's move to the center, come all the way down towards the bottom. We're going to draw the inside edge of the legs. Let's leave a gap in the middle, go over towards the left side. We're going to bend this out and back in towards the heel, move over towards the right and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Now let's round out the heel. Coming down and then up. going to step back, draw the bottom of the foot, coming down and then up towards the outside. Let's round out the toe, come in and then down towards the ankle. Let's go back up to the top, move out, draw the outside leg, coming down and in. Now I'm going to create a fold along the top of the leg, step out, come down, and then in on top of the foot. Now I'm going to go up underneath the ears and draw the side of the body. Let's start over on the left. Curl this out, come down, and just pull that in to right about there. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Go all the way around, and then in. Now I'm going to leave a gap, continue along the inside, coming down in behind the leg, go in between, and then up on the right. Now from here we're going to step in, curl the leg, coming down and out towards the inside of the knee, step back, come down, and then in towards the heel. Let's round out the heel, round out the foot, and going up on the outside. Now let's round out the foot, come in, and then bend that down, aiming towards the heel. Let's go back to the left side and draw the outside of the leg. We're going to step up, bend this down and out towards the knee, round out the knee, and just pull that in on top of the foot. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing over on the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Horton from Dr. Seuss's Horton Hears a Who. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.